Hello everyone, welcome back to Best Products. Today we're taking a look at the Divoom Evo. The Divoom Evo is a sleek-looking speaker with pixel art that looks like it came straight out of an old video game. We're going to test its audio quality by playing music on my phone. It sounds pretty good so far. It's high-res audio certified, and it really is amazing. I can hear every instrument clearly in the song. This speaker is amazing because it's so versatile. It's got everything you could want in a speaker: a sleek design, crisp sound quality, and high-quality materials. But what really makes it stand out is its ability to bring art into your life. It's got real-time pixel art, so you can create beautiful drawings on your phone or tablet and have them appear on the speaker's canvas in real time. But that's not all. The Evo also comes with a built-in social media notification feature that lets you know when someone likes or comments on one of your posts. This way, even if you're busy listening to music or playing games on your device, you'll still be up to date with what's happening online without having to look at your phone every 5 seconds. And if that wasn't enough already, you can also use it as an alarm clock, which is pretty cool. This is an excellent gift for anyone who likes technology but doesn't want anything too flashy or expensive. And it's also great if you're looking for something with multiple uses. So that's all for today's video. I hope you like it, and I'll see you next time.